Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine. Guys, this video covers a very unique topic and a very creative content, and I am sure that this video would definitely capture your attention. Guys, in this video I'm going to give you ideas at how you can design your dresses, how you can convert your all over hand embroidery flower design to a neckline design. Yes friends, all you could see is different patternized, different stylized patterns of hand embroidery designs that is totally based on one type of floral embroidery pattern, and that is a all over embroidery design that could be used on different type of stylized patterns for designing your neckline design. Ideas to give your dress your style are more creative and iconic look, because all over embroidery patterns have been used in many type of dress designing, but all over embroidery pattern could be used for designing your neckline for blouse, gown, kurti, peplum, or any type of maxi dress is never discussed before. So that's why I'm sharing unique and elegant ideas and ways and different patterns for neckline designing by using one type of embroidery floral design. I hope that you are liking the idea, you are enjoying the design of our today's collection. If you really like, then please guys don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and leave massive comments below my video that which design you like the most and why, and which type of hand embroidery stitches you know to embroider, so that we could share more designs in our upcoming videos, the patterns of embroidery based on those embroidery stitches which you already know how to design, so that you could easily make the whole embroidery pattern by just following the color combination and the embroidery style. So stay tuned for the new and upcoming videos. Up till then, take care guys, and thank you so much for watching.